Come test drive the 2017 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, roof rails, brake assist, remote keyless entry, speed control, 4-wheel disc brakes, privacy glass, electronic stability control, traction control, rear window wiper. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.